Hello everyone. How are you all doing out there? I'm Kate Hill, bringing you the best and unbiased and honest content on property with fantastic hints and tips. Stay tuned today to hear about what's to come for the Australian property market in 2025. As we step into 2025, the Australian property market is poised for yet another transformative year. With an evolving economic landscape, fluctuating interest rates and shifts in buyer preferences, investors are eager to decode what lies ahead. Whether you're seeking positive cash flow properties, targeting the best suburbs for property investment in 25, or staying attuned to real estate market trends, understanding the year's outlook is critical for making informed decisions. So let's explore some of those key market predictions and the forces shaping the Australian property scene in 25. From expected growth trends to interest rate movements and economic factors, here's what you need to know to navigate the market successfully. The Australian property market is projected to experience moderate yet steady growth in 2025, driven by several factors. Major cities like Sydney and Melbourne may see price stability with small declines or marginal increases expected. However, regional and outer suburban markets are likely to remain the stars of the show as affordability concerns and lifestyle changes fuel demand in these areas. The best suburbs for property investment in 2025 are expected to include high growth corridors in regional hubs and outer metropolitan regions where infrastructure projects are unlocking new opportunities. For instance, areas near planned transport hubs or new housing developments are predicted to attract both investors and owner-occupiers. This trend underscores the growing importance of local market research. Investors looking for properties with strong rental demand and long-term capital growth should consider aligning their strategies with demographic shifts and migration patterns. What's going to happen to interest rates? The all-important question. Interest rates can be an important driver of the property market, but not always, and 2025 is no exception. Now, we love an economist prediction, but nevertheless, here we go. Economists predict that rates may remain stable or even face a potential early reduction depending on broader economic conditions. Such a move could stimulate market activity, particularly among first-time buyers and investors seeking how to start investing in a property. It could also stimulate the upgrader market if finally a lot of sellers have been holding off listing their properties because they've got nowhere to go. A reduction in rates would lower borrowing costs, potentially sparking demand and fueling price growth in key markets. Conversely, if rates stay higher for longer, affordability pressures may cap price growth in the short term. The interplay between monetary policy and buyer sentiment will be a critical factor to watch as the year unfolds. Investors should prepare for either scenario by maintaining financial flexibility and exploring options like positively geared properties to balance cash flow. Keeping a close eye on Reserve Bank announcements will provide insights into how to optimize your portfolio in a dynamic environment. Cash flow and positive cash flow, of course, is very hard to achieve in this interest rate environment. Economic factors shaping the 2025 market. It will be influenced by several overarching economic factors. Australia's population growth remains a significant driver, with immigration fueling demand for housing, not just immigration, particularly in urban and suburban regions. Additionally, ongoing supply constraints continue to bolster prices. Limited new housing developments coupled with high construction costs will likely sustain upward pressure on property values. For investors, this creates opportunities in established markets where rental demand is strong, potentially yielding positive cash flow properties even in higher cost areas. Government policies such as investor-unfriendly tenancy regulations, first home buyer incentives and infrastructure investments also play a role in shaping market dynamics. Strategic investments in areas benefiting from new transport links, like I've said, or commercial hubs can provide significant returns for astute investors. So what does it all mean? The Australian property market in 2025 offers a mixed bag of challenges and opportunities. While growth may slow compared to previous years, strategic investments in high-demand areas can still yield exceptional results. Whether you're targeting positive cash flow properties, eyeing the best suburbs for property investment in 2025, or adapting to the real estate market trends in 25, understanding that interplay of growth trends, interest rates, and economic factors will be the key to your success. Are you ready to make that next move? Consult with us to get expert guidance tailored to your investment goals. With expert knowledge and a commitment to helping you succeed, we will help you navigate the complexities of property investment and hopefully give you some confidence in doing that. I will keep you posted on all things property from around Australia, as we all know, as our year comes to a close and the new one starts. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content, and I will see you soon. Bye.